So these days you can buy a TV that's 65, 75, 85 inches big. It can have OLED, it can have a whole range of features. And then you can upgrade to projectors in your house. You can get 100, 110, 120 inches. But have you ever tried something that's over 10 meters or 32 feet wide? Well, in this video we're going to have a look at how gaming works in a cinema with this projector. So let's take a look. So here we've got this just over 1080p cinema projector, and just like your TV, you just plug it in using a normal digital connection. Here it's just DVI, but I've got a DVI to HDMI adapter, and you just go ahead and plug it in. So using that HDMI cable we just got, we'll just get the Xbox out, set that up like any other Xbox. Because the projector and the amplifiers are actually a different system, you've also got to connect Toslink audio. So once I plug in the HDMI, grab out our audio cable. It's all digital, so it'll put through surround sound to the 5.1 surround sound speakers in the cinema. Plug that one in, and just get the power cable like any other normal Xbox. And we'll go plug that in too. So this is actually incredible. We're playing here Rocket League, and my screen takes up about 15 feet on the left, and Josh's screen here takes up about 15 feet on the right. It's like I've got like 30 TVs combined together just for my side of the screen. No more of that split screen, can't see your screen thing. This is incredible. So here I am, and here's the screen. It's huge. So thanks for watching this video on us playing a few games on this ginormous screen in this 440 seat cinema. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Technologetic.